Step 3. Add the running animation. We can use Next Costume to make the dinosaur appear to run, but we also need to coordinate the running and jumping actions properly. Here's the final version. When the space key isn't pressed, it runs. When pressed, it jumps. Step 4. Add the game over effect. Just like in previous tutorials, when the dinosaur hits a cactus, the game ends and the game over screen appears. Let's do this step by step. First, detect if the dinosaur touches a cactus. Then, stop the script and broadcast a message. Next, show the game over sprite. Then, stop all other scripts. Finally, let's create a score system. Set up a variable for the score and initialize it. Whenever a cactus passes behind the dinosaur, that is, when its X position is less than the dinosaur's, increase the score by 1. Add a little background sound to make it perfect. Awesome! We've just created our very own version of Google's classic Dino Run game in Scratch. Share it with your friends or family and see who gets the highest score. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun game tutorials like this one.